What's up, Fitter Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And I know it's been a while, been quite some time. I haven't really been doing much, been just chilling in this whole quarantine, haven't been going out much. But I am actually here at Jenkins Nissan to get an oil change. Probably not going to do too much in this video. I might take a look at some cars. Probably not though, because there ain't really too much here that I haven't seen, but we'll see. Probably just look at something to kill the time. But coming up, we do have some things coming. I just ordered a few parts for the car, all external cosmetic pieces, of course. Not much I plan to do performance wise, because I mean it is a 4-cylinder and CVT, so not much I could do, but I will have a few pieces coming in soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. But before then, the homie Franz, he's going to be getting his wheels on and everything, so I'm going to be going with him once he's getting all that done, so definitely stay tuned for that video. I'll definitely push it out on all social media, so you'll definitely be well aware of that one. Plus I'll probably do a teaser or two before then, so definitely stay tuned for that. Some of you may know him as Face, but he's the homie with the pipes on the Altima, the most hated Altima, as we like to call it, Bandit. So definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, hold on, I got one quick, I'm about to go in there. Alright, so yeah, that was a GTI straight pipe that was flying by. But yeah, sorry about that. They called me to pull up, so I just pulled up and got checked in. But yeah, just looking around really quick, I've seen a couple cars that was pretty dope. Like this Maxima, pretty clean. They had a nice Altima on the inside, and they got a 370Z. Might go in and check out, but just all the cars they got out here. I haven't seen a modified Titan the last couple times I've been here, but I know the guy who was the head of the projects doing those, he actually got promoted and he's over at the Mitsubishi place now, so that might be why they haven't been having them. But I don't know. I do need to link up with him and see how everything's going, and maybe test drive something over there. We'll see. But I'm about to go inside and take a look, see what they have inside. Yeah, this one definitely looks good. Those wheels look pretty good, actually. But I'm sure they would look better on another car. For some reason, all of the 370Z wheels look amazing on other cars, especially other Nissans and Infinitis. But not bad, not bad. I'll check the price here in a minute. Sentra, it's alright, I guess. Yep, I'm good. I like that one. The Nismo. I'm sure I don't like the price though. Let's see. Yeah, 48,000. That Maxima is pretty clean. You know what you guys think? Let's go take a look at this price. We got the 48 for the Nismo. I don't see it on the window. Okay. Nope. Let's see. Yeah, I ain't got the price on it. So this one was built in Japan. Got excited when I first started reading. I was like, right hand? But no, it's not right hand drive. Pretty clean though. I think I'm gonna end up getting me a Z. Been looking at a lot of 370s as well as 300ZXs. They got that Altima the same color as that Maxima over there. But that's somebody's car, I believe. No GTRs in here today. But yeah, the project car is probably going to be on hold for a little bit because we're trying to get a house. So I think once that's taken care of, then I'll go ahead and get a project. So hopefully by the beginning of next year, that'll be maybe about this time next year, a little earlier, March or so. February is my anniversary, so probably after that, because we might go on a trip or something. I don't know, it'll be 5-year wedding anniversary, so it should be a big one. So after that, then we'll probably work on trying to get a project car. But yeah, the first thing is gonna be getting a house. But I'll do a few more things to the Altima. I'm still thinking about switching the wheels. If I could sell the current wheels, I'll get another setup. But I'm not really in a rush for that because I don't know, I still like them. Maybe even switch the color on the wheels. Not sure, because I don't know. Let me know what you think I should do wheel wise in the comment section below. But after I get these next few parts I'm gonna get in, I'm gonna do my Nissan Altima Stage 3 video. The stage videos usually are the ones that do the best, so that's gonna go over everything that's done on the car. That might be the final stage for it. I don't really see too much more. I might do an audio build with it, and I might change the wheels. Which, if I do those, I'll do. If I do one, I'm gonna do both, and then I'm gonna do a stage 4. But if I don't do the wheels and just do the audio, then it might be stage 3.5, which that don't really sound too good. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but we'll definitely see. Yeah, but I'm definitely gonna do audio at some point. Get a new head unit in there, because stock one's cool, but I mean there's so many that are out there that are better. So I plan to upgrade the head unit, get the audio. Not sure exactly what I'm gonna do just yet for it. And I think I'm gonna do a front facing camera. Seen a couple of homies with that, and that looks pretty good, so I think I'm gonna do that. Maybe the Starry headliner. Oh, I gotta do the headlights, because I still have the Starry Night headlights that I bought from the homie for my last Altima, so I gotta do that. That might make it into point 4. That might be 4, actually, just 4. So yeah, but it's still things I want to do with it. I don't want to go too far ahead with it, just because that's money I could be saving for a project. And in terms of project, I've been all over the place. I've kind of wanted a 240 for a while, but those prices have been crazy. I've seen a few that are pretty affordable lately, so I don't know, it's kind of back on the table. But we'll definitely see about that one. But most likely it's going to be a G35 coupe. Sedans, I don't know. I've always had sedans, so I'm going to try to get a coupe. So it might be a G35 or a 370Z. Those are the two that kind of at the top of the list. Q50 I've been looking at, but I don't know if I want to go that route, because like I said, I've done so many sedans. I want to try a coupe. I've never had a coupe before, so we'll definitely see. I would love the Q60, but that price, not quite yet. But the top of the list are G35 and the 370Z. G35 mostly that price, and I still like the way they look. 370Z, the community is pretty good. I see a lot of growth and potential there. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Definitely let me know in the comment section below what you recommend as a project car. I'm trying to stay in a Nissan Infinity family, but I mean, I'm not gonna rule everything out yet, so who knows? Might end up with a Lexus or a Toyota or something, who knows? But yeah, definitely throw in the comment section below what you think I should get. But yeah, other than that, oh, also let me know how you guys have been doing in this whole crazy situation we've been dealing with in quarantine, how it's treating you. I know there's a lot of people who have been impacted by this. I haven't really, I mean, luckily the people who I know who have been impacted, like who have had it, they've recovered or are in the recovery, and it hasn't been too many. Also, job wise, I haven't been impacted because I already work from home. My wife's still working too, so we're good there. But yeah, let me know how you guys are faring in the comment section below. But other than that, I don't want to hold this video out too long. But thank you for the support, and I know it's been a while, but I'll try to jump back on and do some more videos more periodically. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this one. So I'd like to thank you. So please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.